The Justice Department now appealing a court ruling that overturned the nation's mask mandate on planes and other forms of transportation. The decision only causing more confusion for travelers who are still just trying to keep up with all the changes. Allison Harris live at the White House with more. Good morning, Allison.
Yeah, good morning, Adrian. This travel mask mandate is still no more, so it remains not in effect. This filing by the DOJ is less about trying to get people to keep wearing their masks on public transit. It's more about preserving and protecting the CDC's health authority in this country, as the White House is sending some mixed messages this morning on whether people should be wearing masks as they travel. The masks are off on planes, trains, and automobiles across the country. And now the Justice Department is appealing the ruling that allowed passengers to rip off the masks.
I'm very happy to not wear a mask. A lot less stressful not having to worry about having a mask for everybody.
The DOJ following the CDC's lead after the CDC said masking on public transit remains necessary to protect the public.
It just seems like it's time to be done. The virus is it's spreading a lot, but it's not very virulent anymore in terms of hospitalization and such, and there's got to be a point where we're just done.
The president saying this earlier this week.
Should people continue to wear masks on planes?
That's up to them.
But the president's press secretary is suggesting perhaps people should still wear masks.
We are not implementing the mask mandate because of the court order, which we disagree with. People are not legally bound to wear masks, so it is a point in time where it is up to people. It is their choice in that regard.
The mask mandate would have expired soon anyway on May 3rd, the ruling by the Trump-appointed federal judge in Florida Monday ended nearly 2 years of fraught flights and belligerent passengers as political arguments over masks led to violent outbursts and arrests. The judge's decision Monday complicating messaging for the Biden administration, wanting to walk a fine line between getting American life back to normal while also mitigating COVID cases and complying with the CDC. A concern for the Biden administration is if cases increase rapidly due to this new variant, will the CDC still have the legal power to issue future mask mandates, or will this set a precedent that a federal judge somewhere across the country, like this judge in Tampa, can essentially undermine CDC guidance and undo a federal rule?
Allison, I got to talk to you about this other topic in relation to travel. Delta is now giving some of the passengers who are on their banned list. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.